Concerned about cooking healthy with your air fryer? This guide will show you how to choose a non-toxic air fryer and some delicious recipes to get you started. Air frying is a popular way to cook, but it's important to be aware of potential toxins. Let's explore how to make the healthiest choices. Choosing a non-toxic air fryer ensures your food isn't exposed to harmful chemicals during the cooking process, contributing to a healthier lifestyle. Today, we'll cover materials to look for, what to avoid, and 5 healthy, air fryer-friendly recipes you can try today. When selecting your air fryer, the interior materials are crucial. Here's what to prioritize for a safe cooking experience. Stainless steel interiors are a top choice. They are durable, resist corrosion, and don't leach chemicals into your food. Opt for ceramic coatings, but always double-check that they are certified PFOA and PTFE-free to avoid harmful non-stick chemicals. Some air fryers incorporate glass, which is an excellent non-toxic material. It's inert and won't interact with your food. Now, let's look at the materials you should actively steer clear of to ensure your air fryer is truly non-toxic. Be very wary of non-stick coatings, especially those containing PFOA and PTFE, commonly known as Teflon. These can release toxic fumes when heated. Uncoated aluminum can leach into your food, particularly with acidic ingredients. It's best to avoid it for prolonged cooking. Check plastic components for BPA and phthalates, which are endocrine disruptors. Look for BPA-free and phthalate-free labels. Now that you know how to choose a safe air fryer, let's get cooking with 5 delicious and healthy recipes. For crispy broccoli, toss florets with olive oil, salt, and pepper, then air fry until tender and slightly charred. A quick and healthy side. Season salmon fillets with lemon, dill, and a touch of olive oil. Air fry until flaky for a protein-packed meal that's ready in minutes. Cut sweet potatoes into fries, toss with a little oil and your favorite spices, then air fry for a healthier alternative to deep-fried versions. Thread chicken and your favorite vegetables onto skewers. Marinate, then air fry for a flavorful and balanced meal. Rinse and pat dry chickpeas. Toss with spices and air fry until crunchy for a fantastic high-fiber snack or salad topping. Choosing a non-toxic air fryer is an easy step towards healthier cooking. Remember what to look for and what to avoid. Prioritize stainless steel, PFOA, PTFE-free ceramic and glass. Avoid traditional non-stick, uncoated aluminum, and BPA plastics. Happy healthy cooking. Embrace the joy of safe and healthy cooking with your new non-toxic air fryer. Enjoy delicious meals with peace of mind.